Happy Sunday. I have a tip for you guys to make a bunch of money if you're a celebrity in the RV Nomad van life community. If you didn't know, head over to Quartzsite Arizona. It's like the Golden Globes for YouTube Nomad van life celebrities. Head out to Quartzsite, charge people to meet you, have seminars, charge people money, and teach them how to sleep at a Walmart parking lot, how to empty their pee bucket, their pee bottles, teach them how to make their bed. You'll make a bunch of money. You'll get rich. I'm not a YouTube celebrity. I don't think I'm Mel Gibson, Tom Cruise. I'm just a blue-collar guy who's budget sports mobiling. This is my poor man's sports mobile, and a lot of my friends share the same hobby as me. So my mission with this channel is to see my friends grow with me and see my friends do well with me. So in March, we're having a Lone Pine van meet. March 4 and 5, I'll be in Diaz Lake. So join us. It looks like we have 5 people showing up. 5 people are committed. And if everyone who wants to show up does show up, there will be 12 people. And that will be an official convoy. I just want to see people do well in life. I had a van build in my late 20s, early 30s. And I went out to the desert with my dogs. But I didn't go out as much as I should. I stayed home a lot. It's really easy to stay home. So this van build, in the first year I had it, I went out more in the first year than I did in the 7 years with my previous van. And that's what I want to see out of you guys. I don't want to see you guys get a cool van build and not take it out one time. I really believe if you go out on one adventure, you'll be hooked. I'm always thinking at my job, I can't wait for my next road trip. I can't wait till Saturday. Saturday I'm going back to Slab City. My girlfriend enjoyed Slab City, and then we're going to Anza Borrego. And then in March, that's a Lone Pine van meet, and then April is my girlfriend's birthday month. We haven't decided where we're going yet. But for me, I just enjoy road trips so much. And here's the thing about these vans. And let me know in the comments if you agree with the statement. For me, it has boosted my self-esteem because part of being a man is knowing how to work with your hands. So I'm just on a budget, and a lot of the things I did it myself and I learned it on my own. So when you're building skills and working on a project that you really love, it builds your confidence, working with your hands, seeing your creation come together. It's just healthy for you, and that's what this van meet's gonna be. It's gonna be good people, hardworking people going out on an adventure. Like I said, I'm not Tom Cruise. I'm not the Tom Cruise of van lifing. I'm just a blue collar guy wanting to do well in life, and I want to see my friends do well with me. I'm not gonna charge you guys to meet me. That's kind of weird. But what I do want to see from you guys, I want to see you guys do well. If one day we could all get sponsorships, product companies notice us and offer us sponsorships, that would be really cool. I know what sponsorship I want. I want a Flying J sponsorship. So Flying J, if you're watching this, send me $50,000 and I will go to every Flying J I can. $50,000 for fuel and food money. I also want a food company to sponsor me. Those food companies that sell you ready to eat meals, like they ship it to your door, that company. And the other company I would like to sponsor me is a rooftop tent company. I have a friend who wants to get into the whole van hobby, and he really wants a rooftop tent. So let's say this van meet grows and a rooftop tent company offers me a free rooftop tent. I'm gonna give it to my friend. So there you go. Lone Pine van meet in March. Join me. If you're a YouTube celebrity, head over to Quartzsite and charge people to meet you and teach them how to sleep in a Walmart parking lot, teach them how to make their bed, how to empty their pee bottles and buckets, I don't know how much you charge for that. How much do people charge for that? How much does one charge to learn to teach people how to sleep in a parking lot?